If you want to build apps for the iPhone, iPad or Mac, you technically have few choices, but there is really only one correct choice, Swift. Before we write our first line of code, you need to understand why we are using this language. First, readability. Look at the screen. On the left is the old language, Objective-C. It looks like algebra mixed with alien hieroglyphics. On the right is Swift. It's read like English. It's concise, clean and modern. Second is safety. Swift was designed by Apple to eliminate entire categories of common programming errors. It's literally stop you from making mistakes that would crash your app before you even run it. Finally, speed. Swift isn't just easy to read, it's incredibly fast, often outperforming C++ in calculation speeds. Combined with SwiftUI, Apple's modern interface framework, learning Swift is absolute fastest path from idea to App Store. So let's stop talking about it and start writing it. To write Swift, you need a workbench. On a Mac, the industry standard is Xcode. It's free on the App Store. When you open Xcode, you will see a big menu. You might be tempted to click Create New App. Don't do that yet. An app project generates dozens of complex files that will just confuse you right now. Instead, we want a playground. Think of a playground as a scratchpad or a sketchbook. It allows us to write code and see result instantly line by line without compiling a whole heavy application. Select blank for the template. iOS is fine. Let's name it Swift Fundamentals and save it to your desktop. Okay, welcome to your new home. On the left, we type our code. On the bottom, we have the console. This is where your computer talks back to us. If there is any default code there, delete it. Let's start with blank slate. We are going to perform the most famous tradition in computer science, the hello world. Type this exactly as I do. Print hello world. Now hit this play button on the left. Look at the bottom console. It says hello world. Congratulations, you just wrote your first Swift program. You used a function called print and you gave it some data, a string of text. Try changing the text inside the code to your name. Print hello, I am Piyush. Run it again. This print command is your best friend. It is the primary way we check if our code is actually doing what we think of it. As you get better, your code will get longer. You need to leave note for yourself. We call these comments. Swift ignore these comments, they are for humans' eye only. To make a comment, use 2 forward slashes. Type this. This is a note for myself. Notice how it turns gray? That means Xcode knows to ignore it. If I run the playground again, nothing changes in the console. But watch this. If I remove these slashes and try to run it, boom, red error. Xcode is panicking because this is a note, isn't a valid Swift command. Always read the error. They are usually tell you exactly what's wrong. For now, put these slashes back.